your own career path then, I suppose, and even tying into what you just said, you can go back to accounting after tax. If you choose tax now, you can complement it with accounting. But what about just pure tax all the way, and tax, tax consultant, tax manager, tax director? Is there a straightforward path for people, I guess?
There certainly is, Tom. As I said, tax is, and certainly has become, much more of a sort of a specialised area, or certainly, sorry, what was seen as a very specialised niche area in the past has now become much more mainstream, and you'll often find that tax practices within the larger firms, let's say, are now much bigger, in fact, than corporate finance or corporate services side of the business. They haven't quite overtaken audit yet, but it's possible that with advancements in technology, that the staffing side of a business could actually be now majority weighted towards tax, or certainly heading that direction. And then in terms of a career path, it's certainly no different to what you might find from an accounting point of view. There's very, very clear progression through the various levels, as you mentioned, senior to manager to director to partner, if that's what one chooses. But also, I mean, that's looking at it from an advisory or a practice perspective, let's say. There are also very, very good careers available in industry, and also as self-employed. I mean, there's an awful lot of my colleagues and former colleagues that are now out as sole practitioners and advisors as well, providing their own tax advice through their own businesses, like we have. So from that point of view, there is, I suppose, a great degree of variety there as well, in terms of, just because you pick a career in tax doesn't mean you're stuck with the one firm or on the one track. There are very, very good options out there for people if they want to take them.
Very good. Very good. Thanks very much for that, Steve.